How many MBs are in 1 GB? 1024 MBs. What is the shortcut key to open a new MS Word document? Control plus N. What is the shortcut key of help in MS Word? F1. Mark Zuckerberg is associated with which of the following? Facebook. The process of breaking down an instruction into a series of smaller steps that can be executed simultaneously is known as pipelining. What is the purpose of the system clock in a computer? Synchronize the activities of various components. The IP address 192.168.1.1.1 is an example of which type of IP address? Private IP address. Which technology is used to make web pages interactive and dynamic by updating parts of the page without a full page reload? Ajax. The SQL command used to retrieve data from a database table is select. Thus, which type of join returns all rows from both tables, matching rows from the left table and null values for non-matching rows from the right table? Outer join. Which protocol is commonly used for sending emails? SMTP. Which memory type is fastest and is typically located inside the CPU? Cache memory. The component responsible for performing arithmetic and logical operations in the CPU is called ALU. The correct full form of AL is artificial intelligence. Modem is used for connecting to the internet. CAI stands for in education computer assisted instruction. EBC DIC stands for extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Which country ranked at the top of the soft power index in 2018? UK. Servers are computers that provide sources to other computers connected to a network. In MS Excel, cells can be uniquely identified by column letters and row numbers. Which keyboard shortcut is used to add comments in MS Office Excel worksheet? Shift plus F2. In MS Excel, for arranging data in ascending or descending order, the command used is sort in data tab. Which is the text styling feature in MS Word? Word art. In MS Word, thesaurus option is available in review tab. Which of the following computer languages is written in binary codes only? Machine language. Which is not included in a font style in MS Word? Superscript. What is the default page orientation in MS Word? Portrait. IP stands for Internet Protocol. The software which contains rows and columns is called in MS Excel is called spreadsheet. URL has an abbreviation of Uniform Resource Locator. A device that opposes the flow of electrons in electronic circuits is called resistor. Which of the following is an example of cloud storage service? Dropbox. Which of the following is an example of spreadsheet application service? Microsoft Excel. What is an IP address? A unique identifier assigned to a computer on a network. Which of the following is an example of multimedia application? Adobe Photoshop. Which of the following is not a type of computer network? UAN. ICT stands for what? Information and Communication Technology. Which of the following is not an example of a web? Which of the following is not an example of a web browser? Microsoft Office. Which of the following is not an example of a web browser? Microsoft Office. What is a computer virus? A type of program that harms computer. How many bits are there in 100 bytes? 800. Which of the following is not considered a formatting feature? Redo and undo. Redo and undo. A workbook initially contains dash worksheets which are saved in a single file. 3. What is the name of the form used to input chart values? Datasheet. Which option is used to copy formatting from one place and apply it to another? Format painter. Which of the following is not considered a formatting feature? Redo and undo. A workbook initially contains dash worksheets which are saved in a single file. 3. What is the name of the form used to input chart values? Datasheet. Which option is used to copy formatting from one place and apply it to another? Format painter. The formula of MS Excel begins with barabar is equal. The formula of MS Excel begins with equal. How do we perform the function of undo in MS Word? Control plus Z. What field type is used to store picture in the table? OLE. The following database object can you import from one Microsoft Access database to another? All of the above. Queries, tables, forms, all of the above. All of the above. The procedure for selecting multiple controls on a report. Hold down the shift key as you click each object that you want to select. Which of these keys is used in PowerPoint to replace the text? Control plus F. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk was 1.44 MB. An error in software or hardware is called a bug. What is the alternative computer jargon for it? Glitch. What is a light pen? Optical input device. Which of the following is not paper size? Landscape. The accuracy of the floating point numbers representable in two 16-bit words of a computer is approximately 6 digits. Which of these is not shown in spelling dialog box? Edit. Control plus S is the shortcut key for save. The most widely used internet search engine in the world is Google. Header and footer command are located on the dash tab in MS Word. Insert. Thus, by default, on which page the header or the footer is printed in MS Word document? On every page. Which operation you will perform if you need to move a block of text? Cut and paste. Which key is used for Excel to select the whole column? Highlight. Control plus space. A website content can be viewed in internet. How many bits are there in 1 byte? 8. In MS Office PowerPoint we can find any and every command on the menu bar. Which of these is a type of sound file? WAV files, wave files. Which of these is the page setup orientation by default in the slides in the PowerPoint? Landscape. First ever computer virus was created from Pakistan. Green line in MS Word document represent a grammatical error. MS PowerPoint is used for presentation. MS PowerPoint is used for presentation. A character that is raised and smaller above the baseline is known as superscript. Which feature is used for monitoring all document changes? Track change. Which would you choose to move selected text from one place to another? Cut and paste. Which feature is used to make selected sentence to all capital letters or all small letters? Change case. What do you call a single point on a computer screen? Pixel. A number or letter that appears little below the normal text in MS Word 2016 is called subscript. Computer is free from tiresome and bored room. We call it diligence. Which key is used for left alignment in MS Word? Control plus L. The list of coded instruction is called computer program. Which shortcut key is used to save a documents? Control plus S. Dash is the special type of software and hardware system that provides service to its clients web server. Title bar is horizontal area located at the very dash of the screen top. The number of bits in a nimble is 4. Which of the following keyboard shortcuts is used to change the case in MS Word? Shift plus F3. Each workbook may contain dash worksheets. Numerous. A worksheet is an electronic spreadsheet that lets users do all of these: calculate data, enter data, analyze data. D. All of these. In MS Word, indenting paragraphs allows users to set text within a paragraph at different tabs. A program with a graphical user interface for displaying HTML files used to navigate the World Wide web browser, from where a computer can get a virus, both A and B. Email, internet, both A and B. Which shortcut key is used to use the find and replace feature? Control plus H. Elon Musk made a deal to buy Twitter in April 2022 for billion US dollars. 44 dash is used for arranging data in ascending descending order in MS Excel. Data sort. BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. A screen element of MS Word that is usually located below the title bar that provides multiple options. Menu bar. Does MS Office save the Outlook file with an extension? Dash PST. Which key deletes the character to the right of the cursor in MS Word? Delete. What is the mean of the booting in the operating system? Restarting computer. Dash are system software to facilitate editing of text and data. Editors. Microprocessors can be used to make all of these. Computers, digital systems, calculators. D. All of these. D. All of these. A workbook is group of worksheets